We're just here, no? In Nara Station. We just disembark na from yung bus from Nara Park. Here. So this is Nara Station. This is the city of Nara in between Osaka and Kyoto. Ito mga medyo nakakalimutan daw siya, no? Kasi gitna siya ng two bigger cities. Osaka is more global, Kyoto is more cultural. But ito naman daw is less mga nakakalimutan, no, na destination. Small city nga siya, konti lang yung mga high-rise na mga structures, no? But gusto ko yung vibes na ganito, no? Parang modern version ng Gensan. First, yan, then we just cross here, crossing here, going here, papasok kami ng where to, papasok kami ng train station back to Osaka. 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Ito, this is the line, no? Osaka Kintetsu Nara Station. We're going here. Yung line na sasakyan is Kintetsu line. There's an elevator. Okay. Huh?
Subway. Maybe it's downstairs.
Ayan, elevator tayo.
B1.
Elevator? Pasok, kasya? Okay. Oh, pasok. Next na tayo. Baka one station, one down lang.